Okay, let's talk about some of the spell check features that are built into Word. So by now you probably have realized that when you're typing, if you type the incorrect spelling, Word underlines that in a red squiggly line underneath of the word, indicating to you that it has been misspelled. So you can use spell check, and if you have misspelled a word, let me misspell a word here for you. So you see the red underline here, and when I right click on it, it gives me some choices. So it can give me some choices that I can choose from. I can choose to ignore it. I can choose to ignore every time that this word has occurred in this entire document. So if you're reusing a word over and over again that you know is spelled correctly, but Word is telling you that it's not, you can actually say ignore every time you see this word, so then you don't have to see that red squiggly line everywhere. You can add it to the dictionary so that that word doesn't show up in a squiggly line anymore. Autocorrect, language, spelling, those are all things that we're not going to really use here in this class. So to change the spelling, you would simply click on the correct spelling. Now, another thing that can happen is sometimes you accidentally type the same word twice. If that happens, you right click on it and you can actually just say delete repeated word. You don't have to go back through and actually delete that yourself by hand. Another function is using the synonyms and antonyms. So let's say I've got this word selecting and I want to use a different word. I want to use a synonym for the word selecting. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to right click on the word, and then I'm going to come down here towards the bottom and you'll see the word synonyms, and it's actually going to give me some different words that I could use instead, such as choosing, picking, pick out, decide on, and then I would simply have to click on that word in order to make that my choice.